Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Oh, no, it is birds. They are just all dead. So, hundreds of starlings have been found lifeless on a lane in Anglesey, North Wales. The 200-plus birds were spotted by one Hannah Stevens on Tuesday afternoon when she was on her way to the old doctor's. No, this isn't the start of a doctor-doctor joke. She spotted an apparent huge flock in the sky as if it were one swirling liquid mass. So, about an hour goes by, she leaves the doctor's, and the very same liquid mass had mysteriously turned into a stagnant puddle of sleepy plumage. More scarily, however, is that each bird had blood on its body, which I think is fair to say is probably a bad omen, right? She got on the phone and called her partner, Welshman David Edwards, because who else are you gonna call? 41-year-old David Edwards told Sky News that when his partner first saw the birds, they took off to the fields, and then she thought, oh, that was a large number of birds. And then on her way back, she found them all dead. Mr. Edwards decided to investigate, saying, "It was very distressing. My gut instinct is that they have been poisoned, but we don't know." His partner, Miss Stevens, reported seeing the birds eating something in the road. The couple have since contacted the police and the Animal and Plant Health Agency, who they say are looking into the incident. RSPB Wales told Sky News, "We are concerned with what we have seen, and so they should be. Starlings are a red list species after all."
If you want more Tomo in your life, click the subscribe and bell button so you get notified when a new video is up. Thanks for watching Tomo News.